Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you a story of friendship is true. Two best friends named Maya and Kira. Maya was adventurous and always full of energy, while Kira was gentle and thoughtful. They had been friends since they were little, sharing everything from secrets to dreams. One sunny afternoon, Maya and Kira decided to explore the wood beyond their village. They packed a picnic and set off, laughing and chatting along the way. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they stumbled upon a wounded bird with unbroken wing. Maya gently picked up the bird they decided to take it home to care for it. Over the following days, Maya and Kira nursed the bird back to health, feeding it and keeping it warm. They named him Pig, and quick grew fond of their new feather friend. Pig would chirp happily whenever Maya or Kira approached, as if thanking them for their kindness. One evening, a storm swept through the village, crashing a tree to fall across the path leading to Maya's house. Kira's house was on the other side of the fallen tree, and she could not find a way to reach Maya to make sure she was safe. Worried but determined, Kira remembered a secret shortcut through the woods that Maya had once shown her. Brave, the Kira remembered a secret shortcut through the woods that Maya had once shown her. Kira raced through the forest, guided by their memories of their adventures together. She finally reached Maya's house and found her safe and sound. Maya hugged Kira tightly, grateful for her friend's bravery and quick thinking. From that day on, Maya and Kira knew that their friendship was a bond that could weather any storm. They continued to explore the woods, discovering new adventures and caring for Pig together, knowing that with friendship they could face anything that came their way. Friendship, like in this story for Maya and Kira, is about caring for each other